consumer acquisition experts, and performance-based marketing. The TheMediaCrew is a leading performance-based marketing business with making it possible for technology that links online marketing to consumers through a detailed set of email marketing and online media services. Their know-how resides in online marketing, customer acquisitions, email shipments, lead generations, banner advertising, and affiliate marketing. The mission of this company is to assist companies or people to carry out an effective marketing campaigns, reaching responsive clients using the power of contextual marketing. It would leader in effectiveness based marketing, specializing in validating opt-in email marketing and online advertising options. The TheMediaCrew, founded in 1999, has actually processed as a leading full-service online advertising agency. They also power premier online affiliate marketing networks and supplies full-service lead generation, banner market, company concentrating on clients' retentions, and efficiency-based marketing. Coregistration leads and co-op registration services have been a well-kept secret for too long. They utilize also contextual advertising, which remains in a lot of ways the latest online advertising technology advance and permits a company to position advertisements in major websites and portals that are being potential material for their products and services. They produce a proven formula to assist grow companies, harnessing cutting-edge technologies, show online marketing services, personalized customer care, and total campaign personalization, consisting of email marketing or lead generation in order to assist products the ideal online marketing campaign for you. Through remarkable technology and unequaled customer support, they take part in the growth of their customers' businesses to help them make sure the satisfaction of their customers. Backed by a steady complement to client success, numerous companies have picked TheMediaCrew.com to assist build revenue streams, consumer self-confidence, long-lasting trust and commitment. Devoted and experienced professionals are devoted to the success of customers' online marketing projects. They jump into your business to comprehend your objectives and needs. They offer several scalable internet marketing options which will give your organization the highest possible ROI. The TheMediaCrew is a leading performance-based marketing company with allowing innovations that link online marketers to consumers through a detailed set of email marketing and online media services. Their proficiency resides in online marketing, client acquisitions, email delivery, lead generation, banner market, and affiliate marketing. They likewise power premier online affiliate marketing networks and supply complete service lead generation, banner marketing, agency specialists in client retention and performance-based marketing. I hope that when you make more inquiries you find this company satisfying. If you want more help, below my video you'll see a link to my YouTube channel where I have over 330 videos, probably more when you get to it, all about earning money from home and online. It's called YouTube at Ian Jackson 1366. That's YouTube at Ian Jackson 1366. Underneath the video also there is a like button. Please click on that. I think it's a thumbs up. And subscribe, as that helps me with YouTube. If you want to see more videos when they come up instead of going to my channel, then click on the bell above and click all. YouTube will let you know when I put another video up. There are a lot of links underneath my videos, as I've been doing this for a few years now, and they're programs I've liked and used. Don't use them all to this day, but some I still do use. Also, there are links to tools I'm using all the time. So if you fancy looking at any of these programs and join, also if you purchase any of the tools, I then get paid a small commission. This is the way of the internet. Now, before you do anything, always do research. There are a lot of scams on the internet, and I wouldn't like you to get caught in a scam, because you can work your butt off for a week or a month, expect your money to come in at the end of the month and get nothing. Somebody has robbed you. So please do your research. Use Google. Put it in the browser what you're trying to join or which company you're joining. And also YouTube. YouTube, you have to put how to make money from home, how to join the internet program, how to do sausages in an oven, or anything YouTube comes up with. They give you pictures and show people doing it, how to do it. So I find it better than Google. As Google, you've got to read everything. But that's it. Do your research always. Now, there's one program that I use, and I have really appreciated this program. Last year, they sent through an offer for me to join it for life, and I took it up, and I was very glad I did, because it's helped me no end. It saves me a lot of time. Now, I joined as a life member for $195 or $197, and ever since then I've been using it regular to get all my scripts. I don't have to search on the internet for different websites and find out everything I need to know and copy and paste it in like I used to. I used to use Script Rewriter for that, because you can get done for copywriting if you're copying and pasting. But they spin everything, so it's not coming up as copyright. It's all changed. But now, since I've become a life member, I put my keywords into a panel in the life membership, and I get 50 scripts a month, which saves me a lot of time. And believe you me, it's well worth that life membership. So that is Spin Rewriter. So please, all the best in your online ventures. Please make sure you do your research. And this is Ian Jackson saying thank you for being here, and please subscribe and help me out. Cheerio for now. All the best in your ventures. Bye bye.